Are you up for some serious outdoor fun? Check out these survival gadgets every guy needs. They're like Swiss Army knives and magic water filters, ensuring you're all set for any crazy adventure. Are you looking to up your outdoor game and ensure you have clean water on all your adventures? Then say hello to the LifeStraw Peak series. This isn't just any old water filter, it's a game changer. Produced from top-notch materials, the LifeStraw Peak is a trusty sidekick that can take a beating and still deliver crisp, pure water. So, whether you're walking through the wilderness or setting up camp, this nifty tool ensures you're hydrated with safe, fresh water, no matter what. And the best part is that its collapsible design means it won't take up precious space in your backpack. Just fill it with a little water, give it a gentle squeeze, and voila! You can filter up to 4 liters per minute thanks to the easy grip silicone pads. Plus, the carry bag adds that extra layer of protection when it's not in use while allowing some air to flow through. Perfect for stashing away until your next big adventure. You know, when you're out and about, every bit of pocket space counts. It's got to be worth its weight. That's where the Lockdown Pry comes into play. It's not just some run-of-the-mill tool, it's a sleek multifunctional savior that's designed to handle anything life throws your way. It's a tough-as-nails cast pry bar that can tackle all those stubborn, pesky problems, a replaceable blade to slice through anything in a jiffy, and a trusty plain-edge blade for those impromptu cutting needs. Need to snip something? No worries, it's got scissors too. Oh, and let's not forget the file with a chisel edge. It's like having your own personal handyman in your pocket. But wait, there's more. Who doesn't love a good refreshment after a long week? Well, the Lockdown Pry has your back there too. With its built-in bottle opener, you'll be cracking open those end-of-the-week beverages with style and ease. When it comes to venturing off the grid, the ULS-1 Ultralight Single Swag proves that size doesn't dictate strength. This little powerhouse is tailored for those who seek the thrill of uncharted territories. Whether you're braving rocky terrains or winding through dense forests, this swag is your trusted companion, ensuring you rest easy amidst the rugged wilderness. With its robust construction and impeccable ventilation, the ULS-1 guarantees a snug, dry haven even in the most unpredictable weather. Rain or shine, you're covered. So, its soft ground support system ensures a stable setup no matter the terrain, so you can sleep peacefully without worrying about uneven ground. What if I told you that navigating the deep forest can become a breeze? Tackle the great outdoors with an unparalleled ease using the 3-in-1 Omni Blade Machete. This powerhouse of a tool doesn't just stop at one function. It's a versatile tool designed to elevate your outdoor experience. This tool covers all the bases with a machete for those dense, overgrown paths, a tomahawk for any heavy-duty chopping needs, and a saw to handle those stubborn branches. Not to mention the 21 feet of paracord at your disposal ensures you're always prepared for any unexpected tight spots that come your way. And let's talk about durability. This gadget is made from premium hardened steel. This machete can take on whatever challenge nature throws your way. The sleek black finish not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also highlights the sharpness of the blades, making you feel like the ultimate wilderness conqueror. The anticipation of summer adventures is real, isn't it? But pesky mosquito bites can quickly put a damper on the excitement. Traditional repellents often fall short, either being too bulky to carry or failing to deliver the desired protection. It's frustrating when something meant to be useful turns out to be nothing more than a waste of space and resources. This is the Light Repel, the solution to your mosquito woes. Say goodbye to cumbersome sprays and lotions. This innovative portable mosquito repellent operates on a thermal method, utilizing heat to activate a potent repellent that keeps those buzzing pests at bay. The heated pad releases a fragrance derived from natural plants that mosquitoes despise, ensuring a foolproof and effective shield against these bothersome bugs. But that's not all. The Light Repel is equipped with dual mosquito repellent pads on both sides, offering you the option to choose between double-sided or single-sided protection based on your surroundings. Unlike conventional single-sided repellents, the Light Repel provides a more comprehensive repellent range, ensuring a robust defense against mosquitoes wherever your summer escapades take you. Do you want to know one thing about most survivalists? They always have a soft spot for the trusty, versatile Big Stick. When faced with the unexpected, their first instinct is to secure a sturdy piece of wood that can serve as a potential weapon. But let's be honest, as resourceful as nature's sticks can be, they do have their limits. To truly unlock the potential of this elemental tool, you need something purposefully crafted, like the Crawford Survival Staff. The brainchild of renowned custom knife makers Pat Crawford and his son Wes, the Survival Staff appears deceptively simple at first glance, resembling a high-quality aluminum hiking staff. However, this modular survival system goes well beyond the humble stick, offering unparalleled versatility and functionality. Originally conceptualized almost 3 decades ago, Pat Crawford's ingenious design remains unparalleled in today's market. Constructed meticulously by hand from hardened black anodized aluminum, this staff comprises a 2-piece body, a steel point, an aluminum handle and cap, a durable 440C stainless steel blade, a rubber crutch tip, and a soft rubber grip. When these components come together, they create a formidable 57-inch hiking staff that conceals a razor-sharp 440C stainless steel blade within its upper section, much like the concealed weapon within a sword cane. Do you want more fascinating insights into gadgets like these? Subscribe now for exclusive content. Now let's talk about the EDC game changer, the Survival Belt 2.0 with its multi-tool equipped buckle. It's the kind of essential you won't want to leave the house without. The challenge with everyday carry items often lies in remembering to bring them along or finding sufficient pocket space. The Side Belt Survival Belt 2.0 tackles this predicament head-on. This cleverly designed belt not only secures your pants but also ensures easy access to a range of crucial multi-tools, all wrapped snugly around your waist. This belt buckle is a more than fashionable accessory. Equipped with its own folding knife, bottle opener, flint fire starter, and LED torch, its adaptable design fits on most belts. Although Side Belts offers a remarkable one of their own, it transforms your stylish belt into a practical everyday carry, ensuring that all your necessary tools are constantly within reach. Are you serious about elevating your camping and hiking game? Then check out the Lion Trawl Multi-Tool Camping Axe. A must-have for any outdoor enthusiast, this versatile axe is more than just a log splitter. It's a comprehensive survival kit rolled into one, making it an indispensable companion for all your wilderness adventures. Equipped with an array of essential tools including a discreet fish knife, a magnesium rod for fire starting, a safety hammer for glass breaking emergencies, and a reliable compass for directional guidance, this axe is the epitome of versatility. From chopping and cutting to shaving and fire building, it's designed to cater to a multitude of survival needs, ensuring you're well prepared for any situation that comes your way. Designed from durable stainless steel, this axe is built to withstand the toughest challenges and impact, promising unwavering reliability when you need it most. Its compact design serves as an all-in-one survival solution, offering a comprehensive set of tools without taking up unnecessary space in your backpack. Dedicated to fishing enthusiasts, nature observers, and outdoor wanderers, the Overcap stands as a testament to convenience and innovation in outdoor gear. This unique accessory has been designed to enhance every aspect of your outdoor experience. The Overcap was developed over a rigorous 3-year period, including thorough real-world testing, and it holds a patent application dating back to 2018. Distinguished as the world's first rigid removable hood suitable for diverse weather conditions, including rain, wind, sun, and snow, the Overcap does it all. Its versatile design ensures unmatched comfort while smoothly attaching to any backpack with its convenient straps. In a world where convenience often leads to excessive waste, Uphold presents a sustainable solution for those who frequently rely on disposable plastic cutlery during their on-the-go dining adventures. This genius creation by Hong Kong architect and industrial designer Eric Tong is a modular cutlery set that not only promotes eco-friendliness but also boasts a sleek space-saving design. Comprising a knife, fork, and spoon, the Uphold set cleverly fits into a compact case, ensuring easy portability wherever you go. Each utensil features a combination of sturdy materials, including a titanium alloy head and an aluminum alloy handle. To prioritize user comfort, the edges of the utensils are rounded, preventing any discomfort or potential mouth injuries. With its patent-pending design and diverse draw weights, could this bow potentially redefine the benchmarks for survival gear? Say hello to the SAS Tactical Survival Bow, a game-changer in the world of compact, high-powered bows. Available in various draw weights, this patent-pending bow sets a new standard for tactical survival gear. It easily fits into most backpacks, making it the go-to weapon for silent, powerful combat and hunting missions where larger firearms and traditional bows are impractical. Boasting arrow speeds exceeding 210 FPS for bows with a draw weight of 55, the SAS Tactical Survival Bow packs a silent yet formidable punch. Not only does it safeguard takedown arrows within the riser, but it also proves to be an essential addition to any bug-out bag or grab bag. Do you remember the thrill of watching the Transformers movie? Now imagine bringing a piece of that excitement into your everyday life with the Autobot keychain knife. Modeled after the iconic franchise, this 9cm stainless steel blade is a miniature powerhouse. Its fully removable design, complete with a sturdy nylon cord for easy portability, makes it an excellent gift for any Transformers fan. Whether you're tackling everyday tasks or preparing for unexpected situations, this EDC tool is a reliable, versatile companion that embodies the resilience and spirit of the Transformers universe. Do you know what's even more enjoyable than these powerful gadgets? Then click right here to dive into another video that is just as exciting as this one.